Hello guys, my name is Nkanyiso Mpofu and I'm from Open Paradigms, and welcome to the beginner's course to audio production. So today we'll be talking about the equipment and the software that we'll be using. First things first, the hardware that we'll be using is obviously your laptop, and the second piece of hardware that you'll need to use for this course is your USB cable, the AP USB cable, also known as the printer cable. This cable looks like this. It's the one that you usually use for your printers and such. So hardware 101, I'm going to be talking about how the basic setup of the whole system when you're recording. So first and foremost, we have the microphones. The microphones are going to be connected to your sound mixer. So this is where we're getting our sound from. And how do we get the sound from the sound mixer? We use the printer cable. This cable is going to be connected to your laptop. So let's go over it again. We have the microphone, and the microphone is connected to your sound mixer, and we're getting sound from the sound mixer via the printer cable, which is going to be connected to your laptop via the USB port. So for the software, we're going to be using Wavelab. Wavelab is a software by Steinberg, and this is the software that we're going to be using to record our sound. I'm going to go into detail about it. It's a great recording software. And for the second software, we're going to be using Adobe Audition. This is part of the Adobe products, and it's good for editing audio. So this is the second software that we're going to be using.